The government has implemented following sets of measures to secure public safe spaces and safeguard citizens and businesses from gang-related threats. These measures combine enforcement, intelligence, and community-based approaches. 1. Deployment of specialized and rapid response and tactical units in high-risk areas. Specialized anti-gang teams have been strategically positioned in identified hotspots to ensure swift response to incidents, sustained patrols, and disruption of gang activities before they escalate into large-scale insecurity. 2. Use of technology in public safety management, including expansion of CCTV surveillance, as I already explained earlier, Mr. Chair. 3. Securing critical public infrastructure and economic zones, including markets, transport hubs, central business district, and industrial areas. Increased police visibility, regular patrols, and coordinated operation have been implemented to assure traders, investors, and the general public, thereby protecting economic activity from disruption.